Let's dive into a remarkable opportunity that promises earnings of up to $1,600 daily. Intrigued? You don't need any selling experience or prior knowledge, just a simple, yet ingenious copy-paste method using Google News. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Hey viewers, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will delve into a unique method that allows you to make up to $1,600 per day using Google News without requiring any prior experience or resorting to affiliate marketing. By simply copying and pasting text, you can tap into this unconventional source of income. Furthermore, we'll reveal not one, but two additional websites that enable you to double your earnings. If you're ready to discover this exciting opportunity, don't forget to show your support by liking this video. Let's kick off our journey to making money online with this innovative method. Start by opening your web browser and visiting the ubiquitous Google website at google.com. Once you're there, type Google News into the search bar. The first link that appears will direct you to news.google.com, the official Google News website. Click on this link and you'll find yourself on the homepage of Google News, essentially an online newspaper covering a vast array of topics, from world news and local news to business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You might be wondering why you should care about this seemingly ordinary news site and how it can translate into earnings. Let me shed light on the process. At the top of the Google News page, you'll see various news categories such as world news, local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, and more. Our strategy will revolve around categories like business, technology, entertainment, and sports. Click on one of these categories, say technology, to access a wealth of information related to that category. For demonstration purposes, we'll explore the health category this time. Upon entering the health category, you'll find a plethora of fresh news articles on various aspects of health. Let's narrow it down further by selecting fitness as our focus. Here, you'll discover a range of articles dedicated to fitness. Choose the one that piques your interest. For instance, I've selected this particular article. The next step in our journey involves leveraging a powerful tool called Spinbot. This tool will enable you to rewrite the article you've chosen from Google News in your own words. This is a crucial step as it ensures your content is unique and avoids potential copyright issues that could arise from copying and pasting verbatim. To proceed, navigate to spinbot.com. Once you're on the website, paste the text from the article you found on Google News into the left box provided. Spinbot works its magic by generating a completely new article with the same topic as the original one, but in your unique wording. You may wonder why we need to go through this process. The answer lies in avoiding legal complications related to copyright. By utilizing Spinbot, you sidestep these issues and end up with an original piece of content. Let me illustrate the process once more. Paste the article into Spinbot, click on Basic Spin, wait a few seconds, and voila! You now possess a distinct blog post or article. An important point to note is that you can select specific words or phrases to retain, such as names, numbers, or quotes, by clicking on the designated icon. It's advisable to review the spun article before proceeding. I recommend selecting an article that genuinely interests you, as this will make the task more enjoyable. Now, you might be curious about how you can earn from this process. We'll get to that, but first, make sure to copy and save this spun article in a safe location, as we'll be selling it to websites willing to pay for your words. These websites offer $1 for each word you write, and I'll introduce you to a bonus website that pays you up to $2 per word, allowing you to easily earn $1,600 or more with minimal effort. Now let's dive into the real money-making aspect of this method. The first website we'll explore is eatingwell.com, which offers to pay you $1 per word for the articles you submit. The beauty of this opportunity is that you won't have to perform any strenuous writing yourself. By using Google News and Spinbot, you can effortlessly create content while avoiding copyright issues. The best part? You don't need to engage in selling, affiliate marketing, or any form of marketing whatsoever. Stay tuned until the end of this guide as I have an exciting revelation about 2 more websites that will further expand your earning potential. Returning to eatingwell.com, this platform pays a generous $1 for every word you contribute. So for an 800-word article, you'd earn $800. However, the second website I'll introduce later offers an even more lucrative opportunity with a potential earning of up to $1,600 per article you copy and paste from Google News. To get started, visit eatingwell.com and scroll down to find their submission guidelines. You'll notice they pay $1 per word and they provide contact details for submitting your articles. Grab the email addresses mentioned on the website and send them an email with a subject line like content submission or a similar relevant phrase. In the email, express your interest in submitting an article and convey your enthusiasm to hear back from them. If they find your article appealing, they'll respond and request your payment details. You can choose your preferred payment method, whether it's PayPal, bank transfer, or any suitable option for your location. You can literally commence this process right now while watching this video. By following the steps in this guide, you can unlock limitless earning potential with Google News and Spinbot. Exploring Google News Health category reveals numerous subcategories teeming with money-making opportunities. While not every submitted article may be accepted, you can start generating substantial income without upfront cost or the need for sales and affiliate marketing. Now let's delve into two more websites, beginning with Popular Science. Similar to eatingwell.com, Popular Science offers a straightforward submission process. Send queries and upon the response, submit your entire article. Their email address can be found on their website. Use the provided template to maintain professionalism. Focus on technology-related topics by selecting articles from Google News Technology category, then copy, paste, and let Spinbot create an original, copyright-free article suitable for Popular Science. The final website in our arsenal is aarp.org, offering the highest pay at up to $2 per word. They accept articles on various topics, including health, fitness, travel, and personal finance. To learn how to submit your articles, visit their website and follow their writer guidelines or provided URL. Copy their email addresses and submit your article to maximize your earnings. In conclusion, submit your articles to all three websites, eatingwell.com, Popular Science, and aarp.org. Ensure that you submit different articles to each platform as they won't accept duplicate content. While not every submission will be accepted, you could still potentially earn hundreds of dollars each day. This method requires no selling, no affiliate marketing, and no upfront investment. All you need to do is copy, paste, and send an email. If you can handle these simple tasks, you have the potential to make money with Google News. Thanks for tuning in to the Business Cafe. Start your money-making venture today by following the steps outlined in this guide. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and stay tuned for future updates and opportunities. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and happy earning!